Yeah, and I just also follow up with that. I remember back in one organization I worked in, the volume of disparate systems that talked to each other and didn't talk to each other. And some of
Yes.
the pieces of audit work that we wanted to do meant that we had to try and connect data from one system to the next, to the next, to the next, to fully see some of the problems.
For sure.
And as you just highlighted, the different types of data formats and systems that sat all the way through that end-to-end process that we were looking for required someone with expertise in all of the above, not just one. And I remember that we fortunately had an excellent guy who was on his game. He knew how to basically knit together those three or four different systems, how to extract the data from all of them, how to be able to perform the audit test that we needed to do. And we came up with quite a startling set of findings that we just simply couldn't have done if we tried to piece it together separately, or we just couldn't have, or if we wanted to do it, we were going to have to do it piecemeal. We were going to have to go back to that old school auditing approach of printing
Right.
things off and comparing it from one system to the next to the next, and you'd only have looked at 20 or 30 items and given up. What we found was errors in a lot of data, but we had to go into the hundreds of thousands of data rows before we eventually found them.